Hello, AP Stat scholars. This video is about geometric distributions on Desmos. First of all, I think it's important when we look at a probability problem that we think about what type of distribution it is, and kind of the giveaway that it's a geometric distribution. This is the famous geode problem from AP exam 2 years ago, where what happens is that these players move through a virtual world collecting geodes, and they break open these geodes, and the goal is that they open a geode that contains a red crystal, and there's kind of that same set probability that's going on. But what's different is instead of a set number of trials, we're looking for the number of trials before a success. So perhaps a good buzzword is this word until. So if you see the word until, that probably means that you're going to be going to a geometric distribution on your calculator. I thought I'd kind of maybe show you some other real life examples of geometric distributions before I show you the calculator. So one example that we might want to kind of think about is the number of times that you draw a card until you hit a king, or the number of times that you manufacture something with kind of a known defect rate until you hit a manufacturing defect. Or you could kind of think of a number of times you call customer service, where maybe there's kind of a set percentage that they resolve your problem until your concern is resolved. So let's actually go and take a look at what we can do with Desmos. And we're going to use the P equals to 0.08 from the geode problem on our Desmos. So let me just go and share my Desmos screen. Okay, so over here, we have our Desmos, and you can find the geometric distribution in the same place as the other distribution. So there's the normal, the binomial, and then there's the geo distribution, and they have a success probability that you have to put in. So kind of the default is 0.5. So if you're not given a probability and it has a geometric type of character, use 0.5. But in like the geo problem, we're doing p-value of 0.8. And I'm going to do my little zoom fit. And we can actually look at this Crystal Quest geode game and look at the probability that we find our red crystal after each number of trials. So let's say that I want to find the probability that I am able to find a geode with a red crystal in it with 3 or fewer trials. So it actually goes and computes it for you. So I could say that the probability that X is less than or equal to 3 is 0.221. And I'm just going to use my annotation tool. So my P is 0.08. So if you just wrote on your AP stat exam that you had a geo distribution of 0.08, and you could just kind of put P equals to 0.08 on the top or to the side, but just kind of specify that it's P. And you could kind of like put in the X is less than or equal to 3 as kind of your boundary. And then you could report your probability. Now, let's say that we wanted to change it to exactly equal to 3. So in order to do that, you would just change your menu, or even better yet, you could just click on the 3 and it's 0.06 0.0677. And maybe if we wanted to know what the probability was of ending the game between 3 and 5, that would be 0.187. So the Desmos, it even shows you the whole geometric distribution. And it's called geometric because it's a geometric sequence. So you're just multiplying by the same probability every time. So this Desmos feature is pretty nice because once you put in that p-value, you can kind of see the geometric probabilities right before your eyes. And you can click on the dots and you can use the cumulative feature as well.